Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I'm back again with a teaser reaction. I will be reacting to the teaser of another highly anticipated Malayalam movies. This is the official teaser for Kurup, which stars Dulquer Salman in the titular role. Now, Sukumar Kurup is, of course, one of the most wanted criminals of our country. And when the first look of Kurup had dropped, I'd read up about his case where he had burnt the body of this person called Chaco to fake his own death to claim Chaco's insurance money. And I think that case is still now open because Kurup is an absconding criminal. And I had read one more news when the first look of this movie had dropped that someone from Chaco's family, basically, they had sort of raised an objection. They want to see the film before the release of this film because they were not very comfortable how Chaco's character has been portrayed or how Kurup's character has been portrayed. So I don't know where that situation still stands. If anybody knows, do let me know. So of course this has a great cast again. Dulquer is there, Shobita Dhulipala is there. I'm really excited to see her act in this movie. Indrajit Sukumaran is part of the cast. Shine Chaco is part of the cast. So this is a great cast. And yes, let's see what this teaser is about, what it reveals. And I'm really like, it has already crossed, it's been a day since this has released and it's already crossed almost 3 million views. So congratulations to Kurup team, and I really wish Dulquer and this entire team all the best for the release of this film. So yes, let's see what the teaser holds for us. All right. Okay. I don't know if this has subtitles or not. I hope it does. It has. All right. What's his production?
ये है कुरुप। ये बहुत बड़ा मुजरिम है। इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे केसेस है। आप लोग इसको बराबर से देख लो। इसको कोने कोने पे ढूंढना है।
36 വർഷങ്ങൾ, 300-ലധികം ടിപ്പ് ഓഫ്സ്, 1000-ലധികം യാത്രകൾ.
ഇത് അവനല്ല സാറേ.
എല്ലാം ഒരേ ഒരാൾക്കായി.
Look at Dulquer.
नाम क्या है आपका?
कुरुप, सुकुमार कुरुप.
Coming soon. Awesome. I know it's a teaser, so it's very short. Oh, initially I really got shocked because the dialogue was in Hindi. So I don't know if it's like a bilingual film. I do not know that. But let's talk about Dulquer's look. Just embodied Kurup's personality. I think look-wise, it's perfect. It's perfect. He fits the role. So Indrajit is the police officer who is investigating basically this case. The teaser looks fabulous. It looks fabulous. I am really excited. I'm really excited for this film because firstly, I think it's been, I don't know, the last Dulquer movie I saw was what? The Hindi one. I mean, I'm not talking about the Malayalam film. The last I saw was, of course, he was in Parava. But I'm saying, like, in latest movies, the last I saw of him was in that Zoya Factor. That's the movie that I saw him in. So basically, I really am excited to watch him in a new film. Though I know there is a lot of you guys have asked me so many times to watch Ustad Hotel, which I will watch. Though, do we have a release date? I don't think we have a release date. Conning soon, huh? Conning soon. So yes, I am eagerly waiting for the release of this film. Dulquer looks fabulous. Of course, I didn't see Shobita in the trailer. We will see her in the trailer, but we saw Dulquer and Indrajit. So this looks great. great. This looks absolutely fantastic, and I really liked how the teaser started with that burnt car where he, of course, burns Chaco's body. So that's a great way to start the teaser, and the score looks so. It's a little horror-ish, but it's also very menacing. I don't know, because his personality, if you see Dulquer's look when he is looking at the camera, he's just smiling. That cunningness is so evident. So I really like how his eyes are showing the cunningness. So I am really excited. Do let me know what are your expectations from this film. Are you happy with Dulquer's casting? I think this was a great casting decision. He just fits the role. I think he's gonna fit the role and gonna do complete justice to this role. But I definitely want to know your opinion. So yes, that was my reaction and my initial thoughts looking at the teaser of Kurup. I hope you have come to the end of the video and have enjoyed this short reaction. And yes, I will see you soon on my next video, guys. Bye bye. Oh, before I sign off, wait, before I sign off, I might be a little inconsistent till 8th April. Right now I'm in Delhi, by the way, so I don't know if I'll get daily, if I'll get time daily to shoot videos. I might not, so I might be a little inconsistent. But after 8th April, again, when I'm back in Mumbai, everything is gonna get streamlined again. So yes, that's the little note I wanted to add. So yes, now I hope you've come till the end of the video, and I will see you soon, hopefully on my next video.